Okay, we're having a snowstorm and blizzard in Chicago. They say it is 24 inches of snow. Oh my god. Yeah, and the wind is blowing at 80 miles per hour. Oh, you see, there's nobody on the road. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, here you see there's so much snow in the place that we just stood.